In Australia, summer means barbecue, and barbecue means lamb chops. And this is my super simple recipe of Adraki lamb chops. Adrak is ginger, lamb chops is lamb chops. Let's create something epic with less than 5 ingredients. My Adraki lamb chop. This recipe of Adraki lamb chops, super simple. That's my theme these days, which begins with a nice flourish of salt. My absolutely trusted secret recipe, 12 plus spices in one, garam masala. And just heaps of ginger. Don't worry about the skin, it's all edible. Just be generous with the ginger though. You could add a little bit of garlic in this as well, but I just want to celebrate ginger because we're going to pair it with some nice cocktails as well. And if you're having gingery cocktails, just have ginger. But alternatively, you could replace the ginger with garlic and give it a whole new dimension. The flavors are all in. We're gonna amp it up with a healthy dose of mustard oil. Well, don't be shy. And you could use olive oil, you could use rice bran oil. I prefer using natural oils. Don't use butter or ghee. Doesn't work in this recipe. And just get your hands dirty. You just pack these wonderful Australian spring lamb chops with these earthy flavors. Spring, ginger, lamb, mustard oil. What can be better? All right, it is all coated in. I'm gonna let these rest overnight. We're gonna put this on a charcoal barbecue and we're ready to eat. You can marinate it for a couple of hours as well, but overnight is always best. So into the fridge and onto the barbecue.